Today I am reviewing Skytech Gaming Shadow Desktop PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a high-performance gaming PC that combines raw power with sleek design, the Skytech Gaming Shadow Desktop PC is an absolute standout in 2025. Designed for gamers, content creators, and tech enthusiasts, this desktop is built to handle everything from AAA gaming to heavy multitasking without breaking a sweat. At the heart of the system is the Intel Core i7-14700F processor, featuring 20 cores with a base clock of 2.1 GHz and turbo speeds up to 5.3 GHz. This modern 14th generation CPU provides immense computing power, whether you're gaming, streaming, or running demanding software. Paired with 16GB of DDR5 5200 RAM, this PC ensures ultra-fast multitasking, smooth gameplay, and instant response times, letting you run multiple applications or browser tabs effortlessly. On the graphics side, the NVIDIA RTX 5060 Ti 16GB GDDR7 graphics card delivers stunning visuals at 1440p Quad HD resolution, providing smooth 60+ FPS gameplay even on ultra settings in popular titles like Call of Duty, Fortnite, Elden Ring, Valorant, Minecraft, and more. With NVIDIA's cutting-edge architecture, you also get enhanced ray tracing, realistic shadows, and incredible frame rates, giving your games a truly next-level look and feel. Storage is another area where the Skytech Shadow shines. It comes equipped with a 1TB Gen4 NVMe M.2 SSD, which offers lightning-fast boot times, rapid load speeds, and enough space for your favorite games, videos, and creative projects. Compared to traditional hard drives, this SSD can be up to 30 times faster, meaning you'll spend less time waiting and more time doing what you love. One of the standout features of this PC is its 360mm ARGB liquid AIO cooler combined with high-performance ARGB fans. This system keeps your CPU temperatures in check even under heavy load, preventing thermal throttling and allowing you to fully utilize the powerful Intel i7 processor without limitations. Plus, the sleek Skytech Shadow gaming case with tempered glass adds a modern aesthetic to your setup, letting you show off those ARGB lights while keeping the internals cool and quiet. Connectivity and expandability are also covered. You get a variety of ports, including HDMI, DisplayPort, USB 2.0, USB 3.0, and USB 3.2 Gen 1, along with 802.11 AC Wi-Fi for stable and fast wireless connections. The PC comes ready for your peripherals with a free gaming keyboard and mouse included, making it a complete setup out of the box. Running Windows 11 Home 64-bit, this PC offers a smooth, bloat-free experience with access to the latest gaming and productivity features. From window layout enhancements to seamless app support and improved performance, Windows 11 complements the hardware perfectly. In terms of gaming capability, this PC is truly future-proof. Whether you're exploring massive open worlds in Elden Ring, competing in fast-paced shooters like Valorant, or building vast structures in Minecraft, the Skytech Shadow delivers smooth gameplay, high frame rates, and breathtaking graphics every time. It's not just a gaming PC. It's a workstation for creativity, streaming, and multimedia content as well. In conclusion, the Skytech Gaming Shadow Desktop PC is an incredibly well-rounded system. With its Intel i7-14700F CPU, RTX 5060 Ti GPU, 16GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB Gen4 SSD, and 360mm ARGB liquid cooler, it combines raw power, speed, and style in one package. It's perfect for gamers, streamers, and creative professionals who demand performance and reliability without compromise. If you want a gaming PC that delivers ultra settings, stunning visuals, and smooth multitasking, the Skytech Shadow is an outstanding choice for 2025 and beyond.